I like an ant. It's an animal. It ramps and is small. It works day and night. I like an ant. I like alright. I like an airplane. It soars so high. It flies through clouds across the sky. It carries dreams from day to night. I like an airplane. I like alright. I like an artist, a creative soul, painting colors that make hearts whole. They dream in hues both bold and bright. I like an artist. I like amazing sight. I like amber, a glowing hue, golden, warm and shining too. It sparkles softly, pure delight. I like amber. I like all bright. All the words come alive. Animals and colors shine. Fruits and actions dance and jive. Adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, hooray, hooray. A is awesome every day. I like add. It grows and grows, building up wherever it goes. Together stronger, numbers unite. I like add. I like alright. I like apricot, juicy and sweet, a fruity treat that's fun to eat. Soft and sunny, pure delight. I like apricot. I like appetite. I like an alpaca. It's an animal, soft and fluffy, standing tall, friendly, gentle, loved by all. I like an alpaca. I like amazing call. I like an alarm. It rings so loud, waking people from the sleepy shroud, helping everyone start the day right. I like an alarm. I like awake and bright. All the words come alive. Animals and colors shine. Fruits and actions dance and jive. Adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, hooray, hooray. A is awesome every day. I like an actor, a creative mind, playing roles of every kind, bringing stories to life on stage. I like an actor. I like all the rage. I like almond, a naughty delight, healthy snack, day and night, crunchy, tasty, full of cheer. I like almond. I like always near. I like applaud, hands clap in glee, cheering loudly for what we see, spreading joy and happiness bright. I like applaud. I like alright. I like acai, a berry so fine, purple sweet, a taste divine, boost your energy, makes you say yay. I like acai. I like all day. All the words come alive. Animals and colors shine. Fruits and actions dance and jive. Adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, hooray, hooray. A is awesome every day. I like an antelope. It's an animal, running fast through fields so wide, graceful, nimble, full of pride. I like an antelope. I like amazing stride. I like an apron. It's a useful thing, keeping close safe while we cook and sing. Colorful, handy, always bright. I like an apron. I like alright. I like an archer, a skilled profession, aiming arrows with pure precision, strong and steady, full of might. I like an archer. I like alright. I like rage, a smoky gray, a subtle color, a soft ray, calm and gentle, smooth as light. I like ash. I like alright. I like aim, focus in your view, set your target and shoot it through, precise and steady, reaching high. I like aim. I like alright. I like angelica, a plant so sweet, fragrant leaves that smell complete, healing, soothing, full of cheer. I like angelica. I like all right here. All the words come alive. Animals and colors shine. Fruits and actions dance and jive. Adventure sparkles all the time. Raise your hands, it's time to play. Sing and clap, hooray, hooray. Learning letters, hooray, hooray. architect, a clever mind designing buildings of every kind, creating smart dreams take flight. I like an architect, I like alright. I like Auburn, a warm rich shade like autumn leaves, and Sunshine Lake glowing softly, cozy sight. I like Auburn, I like alright. I like Ask, a Grecian dike, K's nines that seep like where to going, knowledge and sight. I like Eras, all the way